I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials so the flip reads, set 24-30 FPS and a comfortable resolution, then create 3 layers: hair, head/body, and background. Once done, rough in 3 key poses: neutral, mid-flip peak, and settled, using bold silhouettes so the action reads at a glance. Make sure to enable onion skin with 3-5 frames to see motion arcs. After that, label layers and scrub the timeline to confirm silhouette continuity before blocking in between frames. You now block the motion by adding 2 breakdowns at roughly 1/3 and 2/3 of the flip. These guide the hair's arc and timing. Once breakdowns are in, fill in in-betweens using consistent spacing. Pack frames where the hair decelerates and spread them through rapid swings. Also, exaggerate stretch and follow-through on the hair's ends to convey weight. Draw light motion trails on a temporary layer to refine arcs. Then scrub repeatedly to check rhythm and silhouette clarity. You finish by cleaning lines, refining volumes, and adding subtle secondary motion like late-moving strands and soft overlap. These sell realism. Once polished, preview at full FPS and toggle onion skin to catch any silhouette pops. If something snaps or looks robotic, add a couple of in-betweens at the problem area or ease the spacing to smooth timing. Finally, export a test clip and review on another device. If jitter persists, lower onion opacity and recheck layer alignment before final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.